Hey everyone! If you want to unlock all Roblox features by verifying your age, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to verify your age and unlock all the chat features. Just follow each step carefully. Step 1. Use a device with a camera. First, you'll need a phone or tablet with a working camera. I'm using my phone for this tutorial. Now, open the Roblox app, tap More icon in the bottom right corner, then scroll down and go to Settings. From there, select Account Info. Here, look for Check Your Age to get more features and tap Continue with Selfie. Roblox might ask you to verify your account using your phone number, email, or authenticator app. Enter the code you receive, then tap Verify. Make sure you're ready for the next step, then tap Continue. Your browser may ask for camera access, so select Allow. Now, follow the on-screen instructions. Position your face in the box or circle and move your head as shown on the screen. Make sure to follow each direction carefully so Roblox can estimate your age correctly. Once your age is verified, you'll see all the new features you can use, like voice chat, experience chat, and party chat. And that's it. After completing these steps, your Roblox account will be fully verified and ready for chatting. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Roblox tips.